Proportional Relationships Worksheet Questions 20 through 22. Katie is knitting a blanket. She can knit 6 rows per minute. So her unit rate is 6 rows per minute. Look at each rate below. Determine if the rates are equivalent to the 6 rows per minute. Now, it says rows per minute. So that means it's going to be the number of rows over the number of minutes. So you'll always put the number of rows over the number of minutes. And remember, to go from a rate to a unit rate, you divide. So for number 20, I put the number of rows, so that would be 48 rows, over the number of minutes, which would be 8 minutes. And you'll divide that out to find your rows per minute. In 21, I put the number of rows on the top, over the number of minutes. And we'll divide to find the rows per minute. So let's do 21 together. So I'm going to divide. So 4, that's top number, divide it by bottom number. And if you want to, you could even just put it in using the fraction button. Now we want a decimal here. If it gives you a decimal, we want the decimal. We don't want any fractions in this one. So we've got 4 over 24. And if you're using this calculator, it will give you the decimal. But if you're using the calculator like we have at school, it'll give you a fraction. So that's why I would suggest doing 4 divided by 24. But I could do 4 over 24 to get that number, or I could do 4 divided by 24, and it gives me the same thing. So that would be 1.6, and the 6 is repeating. 1.6, and the 6 is repeating. Or sorry, 0.16. So this would be 0.16, the 6 repeating, and then rows per minute. So for this one, I found that the unit rate is not even 1 whole row per minute. It's not even 1 whole row, it's just 0.16, and the 6 is repeating of a row. So because this isn't even a full row per minute, I did not get the number 6. So my answer to this problem would be no. The unit rates are not equivalent. If I divide it out and get a 6, my answer will be yes. So let's look at number 20. 48 divided by 8 is 6. So this one I did get 6 rows per minute. And since I got the same thing as what Katie did, this answer is yes. So you're on your own for number 22. Again, put the number of rows over top the number of minutes, divide it out. If your answer is 6, it'd be 6 rows per minute. Your answer is yes. If you don't get 6, your answer is no. If you have any, excuse me, if you have any questions on 20 through 22, please let me know.